How to change Spotify Premium. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to change Spotify Premium. So the first thing you guys need to know is that it cannot be done on your Spotify app. You need to open up the Spotify account on a Google or a Safari. After opening it to a Google or a Safari, just click on the three dots, click on login. After filling all the details, you will get your account open. Scroll down at the bottom, you will see a change plan option or a cancel plan option. Click on change plan option and it will give you or show your current plan at the top, and beside that it will show you other different plans. You can switch to them by click on select. It will open up a page and your current plan give you charges and the detail which will be changed after selecting that plan. Scroll down to the bottom and click on a change plan option. Now your plan will be changed and you will get the changes, detail, everything, whatever you want to. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please share with your friends. Thank you.